Hi, girls. Hi, Doreen.
Hi, Andy. Ready for the history final?
History final? Is that today?
It sure is.
Oh, man, I forgot all about it. Let me borrow your notes, will you?
Andy, class starts in 5 minutes.
What?
See you, Andy. Hope you have your term paper finished.
Wait. I haven't been to history class in a while. I've forgotten which room it's in.
Right here, Andy. Mr. Spencer's gonna kill you.
The reason more kids use Apple than any other personal computer is because it makes keeping up with school a lot easier. And that makes waking up to school a lot nicer.